Hello everyone. Today I'm going to give you a technique which will help you to get away with those negative criticism. Technique for disassociating yourself. And let me tell you, before you use this technique, I invite you to sit in a relaxed and peaceful place, and then we get started. Humans are mostly in cause and effect. Cause, which is an external factor, and effect of it internally as feelings. For example, we hear so many times like, he said and it made me feel sad. He talked this way and it makes me feel hurt. She is saying that and it's making me feel irritated. External factor is a voice which is an external factor. An internal feeling is this unresourceful feeling in all of this above cases. Now these unresourceful feelings are creating unresourceful states to you, isn't it? Someone starts feeling irritated, feeling low, feeling sad, and goes round and round in a circle of feeling more sad and end up having a multiplication of this frequency of negative, unresourceful state. So now, what can you do so that you can come to a resourceful state and disassociate yourself? And here is a small exercise for these voices which is making you this effect or feeling inside you. And let's do it now at this moment. So I invite you to relax and sit in a comfortable position and take a deep breath. And let's start the process. If you have something to deal with, any criticism, any voice which comes to you and you would like to work with it, I invite you to relax. Inhale and exhale and relax and go in a deep state. A very deep state for you to work on self. And as you take a deep breath and allowing yourself to flow, hear that sound which was or which is troubling you, the sound which makes you feel something, a negative feeling, and focus on that sound. And as you start focusing on that sound, you also start knowing where is it coming from. Left, right. You start noticing the volume. Out of 1 or 10, maybe the volume is 5 or more, maybe 7 for someone, maybe 8 for someone. And you start noticing whatever the volume is. And maybe you also notice the pitch of the sound, high, medium, low. Or maybe one of you also notice so simply the quality of the sound, shrilled, soft. And as you're hearing whatever you're hearing, let's start the play as a child. Playing is always fun, isn't it? Have a remote like a child in your hand. Yes, right now. And feel that remote in your hand right now. Reducing the volume of the sound you hear. Yeah, start reducing the volume of the sound from wherever it is, from 7 or from 6, and start reducing it more to 5. Take it down to 4 or 3, and as you start reducing it, you can also mute it. And you would be surprised, how can you also mute that? reducing it more and more, automatically changing the quality, the pitch, or you have already moved away that sound. And as you have this silence, I now invite you to see those words, only and only those words, for your learning, far away in the sky, in a colorful font, in a colorful print in the clouds, as just an information. And as you have this information on this cloud, as you see that, is there something which you can learn for yourself? Is there anything which can be helpful for you in your future? Which can be of help as a resource? There is always something to learn from an experience. Maybe something to do or not to do. A positive intent behind everything or anything. So let's just pick the intent, whatever it is, and learn quickly for self. And as soon as your unconscious starts learning from it, you would automatically start seeing those words disappearing. As soon as it disappears, and as soon as you learn, and as soon as it disappears, you see the clear sky and focus on this clear sky, the colors around the sky. Yeah, it just happened. And as you see these colors in the sky now coming down to you, see yourself with those new learnings in this new color or many colors. And as you see this, you can see yourself in this combination of colors, combination of learnings. And now see yourself floating down here now. Yeah. See yourself floating down here now. And feel this new feelings as you feel now. These learnings are there on the place where you're just sitting. Maybe your couch, your chair, your bed, wherever it is, just there with your soul and with your body. Enjoy this new learning and see yourself shining with this learning, and have a wonderful time with this. You can do this small technique whenever you feel associated with any unresourceful feelings. Enjoy this time, and we will experience more new techniques